Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable safety settings for prompts in Google AI Studio. If you're working with AI-generated content, having proper safety filters in place is essential to ensure your interactions remain appropriate and aligned with your guidelines. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to astudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct Google account associated with your AI Studio access. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you can access all the AI Studio features. From your dashboard, look for the option that says Chat with Models and click on it. This will open up the interface where you can interact with various AI models and configure how they respond to your prompts. The chat interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll see the main conversation area along with several customization panels. Now, shift your attention to the right panel of the screen. Scroll down through the options until you locate Advanced Settings. Click on this to expand the menu. Within the Advanced Settings section, you'll find Safety Settings, which is exactly what we need to configure. Go ahead and click Edit next to Safety Settings. This is where you'll have full control over the content filters applied to your prompts and responses. You'll now see several categories that you can toggle on or off. These include hate, harassment, sexually explicit, and dangerous content. Each of these categories serves as a filter to block or allow certain types of content based on your preferences. It's important to review each one and decide which protections are necessary for your use case. For each category you enable, you'll need to select a threshold level. You'll notice options like Block Few, which determines how strictly the filter operates. To set this, simply click the circle button next to your preferred threshold. Once you click it, it will automatically turn to Block Few or whichever option you've selected. This gives you flexibility in how sensitive the filtering should be, allowing you to balance safety with functionality. After you've configured all the categories and thresholds to your liking, go ahead and close the Run Safety Settings panel. Your changes will be saved automatically, and the safety filters are now active and ready to work with your prompts. To verify that everything is working correctly, type a test prompt into the main input field. For instance, you could type something like summarize the concept of artificial intelligence in one sentence. Once you've entered your prompt, click Run Control to execute it. The AI will generate a response, and your safety settings will now be actively filtering the content to ensure it meets your configured standards. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and customized safety settings for prompts in Google AI Studio, giving you greater control over the content you generate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.